Hey guys, welcome to Log Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Chat GPT account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. In order to log out of your Chat GPT account on your computer, first you have to be logged into your Chat GPT account. Now, after you land over here, which is the home or the main interface of the Chat GPT, at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the logout button available over here at the bottom of the list. I repeat, but before we proceed, guys, do make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. And with that being said, let's click on logout, and you can see we are back on the login page of chatopenai.com, which is the home page of ChatGPT. And guys, this is how you sign out of your ChatGPT account online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.